Welcome to Daily Dose, bridging words of wellness and bringing wellness to our audience. Today, we have an exciting new topic that's turning the tide. Vemlidy's breakthrough in pediatric hepatitis B treatment. It is provided by Gilead Sciences, advancing therapeutics and improving lives. So let's begin. Vemlidy, a new chapter in pediatric hepatitis B treatment. Imagine a hidden battle raging inside the body, one that targets the liver, the powerhouse of your metabolism. This is the reality for those living with chronic hepatitis B, a viral infection that can persist silently for years before showing symptoms. But today, there's renewed hope. Introducing Vemlidy, a breakthrough by Gilead Sciences that's turning the tide against hepatitis B, now for patients as young as 6 years old. Approved initially in 2016 for adults, Vemlidy has now won the trust of the FDA for pediatric use, promising a safer and healthier future for our children. Why is this important? Why does it matter? Chronic hepatitis B in children is not just a temporary illness. It can evolve into lifelong challenges, impacting liver health and quality of life. Vemlidy has been approved by the FDA for ages 6 and up, and this expansion is a testament to Vemlidy's safety in younger children. So, what does the study say? So, based on the ongoing studies comparing Vemlidy to other traditional treatments, as well as treatments that have not been done on patients with hepatitis B, pediatric hepatitis B patients, Vemlidy has found to be significantly improving signs and symptoms of pediatric patients. The recent studies leading to this approval show remarkable results. Vemlidy not only proved safe for kids, but effectively reduced the virus to undetectable levels in many, all without the harsh side effects often seen in other treatments. Let's see the safety and efficacy of Vemlidy. When Vemlidy, the chemical name or the drug active pharmaceutical ingredient name is tenofovir alafenamide, when you compare it to traditional TDF, which is tenofovir disoproxil fumarate, so you have a longer plasma half-life, which means greater stability, means longer action. By week 96, a large number of patients, as you can see here, showed no detectable levels of the virus, and reports confirm that Vemlidy is both safe and well tolerated in young patients. Putting aside all this data and all these numbers, what does this actually mean? It means, on a personal level, for families affected by hepatitis B, it means more, much more than all these numbers and data put together. It means birthdays, graduations, and a lifetime of moments no longer overshadowed by illness. As Vemlidy now begins to reach younger patients globally, its impact is set to expand. With a projected market growth and a promise of a healthier generation, Vemlidy is not just a medication, it's a beacon of hope. The journey doesn't end here. With ongoing research and dedication, the future of hepatitis B treatment looks brighter than ever. Join us in celebrating this milestone and stay tuned as we continue to bring the latest advancements right to your screen. If this story has inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Together, let's spread knowledge, and hope for the betterment of our health and the health of our families. Thank you.